And as many parts of the area got a quick first taste of snow last night, a bigger round, though, could be coming in a matter of days.
So that's causing a mad rush at grocery and hardware stores. Joyce Aguirre live tonight, and she shows us how people are preparing. Joyce?
They're stocking up on supplies at hardware stores, and they're making sure they have food over the weekend.
They go right for fresh produce because they're afraid it's going to run out first, and then dry goods.
Zupan's Markets tells us they're ready to go for the winter storm. Store director Michael Bell says more people will come in closer to when the storm moves into town.
Think about what you're going to be eating. Can you eat it over the next 2 or 3 days?
If the power goes out, it's important to get food that won't spoil. That's why some people are trying to think ahead for dinner.
Hummus and extra vegetables, a couple extra meats, a little bit more than I would normally buy of everything.
Shovels and the ice melt.
The people at Westmoreland Ace Hardware have been preparing for the last 10 days. They had a shipment come in today and another coming tomorrow. Some things flying off the shelf.
Ice melt, snow shovels, and then weatherization for the faucet covers and their windows.
They are seeing a rush of people who are making sure they don't get stuck.
I needed something that maybe we could take with us long term because we work as travel nurses, my fiance and I. So I figured I'd get something small because I'm hoping, 3 to 5 inches, 7 to 8 inches over the weekend will be something that we can handle with a small shovel.
And over at Ankeny Hardware, the owner tells us it's been busy the last few days as well. He's been giving helpful tips like this one about furnace filters.
If you can see through it, you know it's clean. If it's all full of crud, you really need to replace it. Because when there's stuff blocking up the filter, your furnace blower motor has to work twice as hard to get air through it. It will eventually burn the motor out. You're also spending a lot more on gas and electricity that you don't need to spend.
Norman had so many other great tips, and if you want more ways on how to get your home ready, head over to coin.com. Live in South Portland, Joyce Aguirre, KOIN 6 News.